Hello, my name is Boynes-Bardouille. Thank you for taking the time to be attentive and watch my presentation. I will be sharing with you a description of the internship I completed during the final semester of the TLET Master's Program, a description of the skills and competencies I used and developed through this experience, a description of the benefits that I derived from the experience, a reflection of how internships help prepare students for real work employment, and a piece of advice for students who are preparing to undertake an internship. Before I present on these 5 areas, permit me to put them into context. The Department of Geomatics, Engineering and Land Management, Geomatics, Faculty of Engineering, University of the West Indies, Trinidad and Tobago, integrates science, mathematics, and technology to provide the knowledge and skills required for the spatio-temporal data management and solutions. The department offers short courses, certificates, diplomas, and degrees at undergraduate and postgraduate levels in the areas of specialization. GEOM 1001, Mathematics for Geomatics, is a compulsory course for geomatic engineering students. The goal of the course is to provide students with mathematical knowledge that will prepare them for further courses in the program, such as geodesy, adjustments, and digital photogrammetry. These offerings, which include a significant geometrical component as well as matrix algebra and calculus, are widely used in techniques such as least squares. In this regard, GEOM 1001 supplements an existing statistics course and serves as a prerequisite for numerical methods. Now, just to give you a brief overview of my internship. I have been delivering the GEOM 1001 course from its inception in 2013. It has been established that some university students are weak in trigonometry or their ability to apply these principles to surveying applications. Over time, it has become clear that the majority of students do not have the prerequisite knowledge for the course, and much time is spent explaining basic concepts in an already condensed course. I therefore seized the opportunity through the internship to address some of the challenges of offering this highly condensed course to learners, the majority of which do not possess the prerequisite knowledge for the course. I have been working with the department since 2006. So my orientation and training involve a synchronous virtual training session and asynchronous online courses. The synchronous virtual training involved the use of my eLearning, an online learning environment specifically tailored for the University of the West Indies, St. Augustine campus. It is a customized version of Moodle intended to meet our teaching and learning needs. The term of the internship was from September the 13th, 2021 to November the 19th, 2021. My supervisor was Dr. Michael Sutherland, Senior Lecturer and Head of Department. The Department of Geomatics, Engineering and Land Management, Geomatics, Internship Program is designed to provide the intern with an opportunity to learn about the department and various aspects and responsibilities of the department. There were 2 main trajectories: instructional design and instructional development. As the instructional designer, I worked independently with assistance from the head of department, lecturers of the course for which GEOM 1001 was a prerequisite, and campus IT services when necessary. Work was done with the overall goal of promoting the quality of online instruction at the University of the West Indies. I had opportunities to engage in professional development, research, and faculty consultations. In the instructional development track, I would again work independently. As the subject matter expert and with the experience gained and the skills developed during the TLET program, I would design and develop a course on my eLearning and create other support materials. However, As I completed the assessment and took note of what needed to be done and the areas that I needed to work on in order to meet the specialization objectives and competencies required for this internship, I requested a meeting with my supervisor. We met and agreed that I would work towards completing the analysis and design phases of the ADDIE model. My principal responsibilities were to learn about and carry out the multiple responsibilities of instructional designers in higher education, to conduct research, make course recommendations and suggestions after the course review, contribute to the department's goal and identify solutions for improvement, and to identify and communicate potential issues related to the assigned work. My deliverables were the course review, recommendations for course improvement, procedural checklists, course design, and workflow diagrams. This internship has given me the opportunity to hone a variety of skills and competencies. Apart from the information, media, and technology literacy skills, the life skills of flexibility, leadership, initiative, productivity, and social skills, and the critical thinking, creativity, collaborative, and communication learning skills, also known as the 4Cs, all required for employment success in the 21st century, I developed and utilized some competencies unique to instructional design. These included professional foundations, planning and analysis, and design competencies. The professional foundation competencies were evident in me being able to apply research theory to the discipline of instructional design, update and improve knowledge, skills, and attitudes pertaining to instructional design process and related fields, apply data collection and analysis skills in instructional design projects. The planning and analysis competencies were evident in me being able to conduct a needs assessment in order to recommend appropriate design solutions and strategies, to identify and describe target populations and environmental characteristics, to select and use analysis techniques for determining instructional content, and to design competencies and the design competencies were evident in me being able to use an instructional design and development process appropriate for the given project, to organize instructional programs and products to be designed, developed, and evaluated, and to design instructional interventions, to plan non-instructional interventions, select or modify existing instructional materials, and design learning assessment. Real-world orientation in the field, broader view of the industry, resume building, future employability, professional networking, time management, career focus, confidence, self-awareness, verbal communication, self-reliance, self-motivation, interpersonal skills, collaboration, team building, technical design skills, written communication, and exposure to complex design problems were all beneficial. The TLET curriculum improved my employability, evident by the attainment of competence, skill, and knowledge within the disciplinary field. The internship, on the other hand, provided a means for me to access and develop the raw skills required for employment. It broadened the scope of the classroom by allowing me to seamlessly transition into instructional design discipline. The most valuable aspects of this internship were the acquisition of better job skills, the ability to learn faster, and the ability to be more productive. This internship exposed me to specialized knowledge. It assisted me in developing professionalism, communication, and interpersonal skills within the field, providing a unique balance between the program's broad knowledge and disciplinary skills. Teamwork and critical thinking were found to be two important workplace skills, and personal and interpersonal skills were found to be more important than technical skills. Because I was given such autonomy, it was critical that I demonstrate leadership, communication, and interpersonal skills that are difficult to develop in the classroom. I would like to leave you with one piece of advice. Choose an internship not for the potential status or income, but choose based on your passion. And then see yourself not as an intern trying to get work experience or your foot in the door. See yourself already as the professional and focus on the greater responsibility that comes with it. Thank you for viewing my presentation. I hope I conveyed information that would be beneficial to you. If you have any questions, my contact information is provided. Please do not hesitate to contact me. Thank you again.